Hello again. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to show you in this video. I've been really busy, lots and lots of days of hard work, required a little bit of assistance on a few occasions. Lots to show you, so let's rip through it. First wall up, second wall's going up now, while I've still got a little bit of daylight. The trick with this one is to give it a bit of a recycled timber look. So I'm using fence palings, so I'm just going to try and exaggerate some variation with some stains and some leftover bits of paint. Just a light wash over a couple of bits and pieces just to make it look a bit more random and a bit more homely. We have some dappled grey, some cream, and over here some of that mixed Indian red. Okay, that is the rail for the barn door. Just need to measure up the actual barn door, drill the holes in the top of that, and then hang it. I really hope that I've measured right. Here I go. Okay, it fits. But does it roll? Yes, it does. So I think I'm actually going to raise the back end up just a wee little bit so that it's not level, and that way it's going to automatically slide shut. And shutting. Now, do I remember this little fella? That was from the old door. So I'm thinking it would look really nice on here, on the barn door. So let's give that a go. And so begins work on the roof. And I'm going to need an assistant. Okay, now let's see if that worked. Yes! Impressive, yeah? Thanks for watching. There'll be more to come next week. Bye!